every single thing I've done with the 109 the past few months has led up to this very moment. From a complete fork rebuild, a full brake system rebuild including new lines, the valve clearance checks, front motor mounts, I've done a lot, especially considering this was my very first time handling any of this maintenance. But this is the aftermath from starting the 109 for the first time after having everything almost back together.
Right. Moment of truth. Please start. Please start.
But the next morning, I put on the finishing touches from the painted covers, the air boxes, and the engine guards along with the seat to seal this project as mostly complete.
It's done. It's 100% done.
This bike has been on and off this jack multiple times. For me, just trying to fix stuff. It's the last time it has to be on here for now.
I'm proud. I'm seriously proud of myself. I'm very proud.
Yes, folks, the 109 is done. And as much as I know what I've done is nothing compared to like a master technician or somebody that works on bikes every day, for me, this was a massive project considering I tore the bike down all the way to the cams and something I've never done before. And I'm just glad that one, the bike does start, and two, the bike is probably in its best condition in a long time with new brake lines, spark plugs, fluids. I still have to drain the oil and do the final gear oil as well, but the 109 is in a really good state, and I'm just happy that I was able to do this myself. So even though I probably could have saved a lot of money by just hiring somebody to just do this for me, I wanted to prove to myself and to you that average people can do this stuff. You don't have to always consult out to somebody to do it for you. Obviously, it's easier to do it that way, and it's probably, I guess, a lot less time consuming than it did because it took me like a month or 2 months to do this. But again, I'm just happy that the 109 is done, for now anyway, because I still have to do a few more things to it. And something I pride myself in what I do here on this channel is being relatable. I love being able to be relatable to you guys, and I wanted to prove that an average person can do this. So if you're out there and you're wondering if you can work on your bike, obviously you got to have the manual to do it. Without the manual, I wouldn't have been able to do any of this, and having confidence in myself and not rushing, even though it took me a lot longer than I wanted to. I'll explain some of that at another time, but it's done. And I'm actually about to go for a ride on it, a short ride, to make sure that nothing's like off or broken or anything. But again, I'm just happy that I was able to do this. Like, I'm so freaking excited. Yeah, again, I'm just humbled and proud that I was able to share some of this with you guys, and again, just show you what's possible. And when things got hard and stuff got tough, I could have easily just like quit, but I didn't want to quit. So yeah, there were some times where I really thought I was gonna have to take the bike to the shop simply because things weren't going back properly. Broke a few things, but mechanically the bike is sound and everything is good to go. Like, I'm ready to try out these new steel braided lines. I'm ready to try out the new rear brakes. I'm ready to feel this bike mechanically, see how it feels compared to the V-Rod, because it's been a while, especially because this V-Rod's is in a better shape than this, or at least it was, especially when I bought the V-Rod. So yeah, it's time to put the bikes back through its paces, and I'm gonna do a first ride on my, I guess, fixed 109. I don't know, but yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go bask in my proudness of this.
And I got a lot. I have to clean up a lot in here, obviously. There's organized chaos. I think I need a new headlight. And I need some tape for this. There's more to do. I'm so excited. I don't know what else to say. I'm about to go hop on the bike and go for a ride, but as you guys can hear, I think the 109 is back. Back and better than ever. I think I've forgotten how fast this bike is. Holy crap. With a combination of the clutches, the brakes, the fork seals, the spark plugs. Holy cow. This is gonna get interesting.